So what are the best websites to learn a new technical skill from? Let's get to it. What's up everybody, it's David from websitecreatepro.com. So as a web designer, I personally find that like HTML and CSS is really helpful to know regardless of what platform you're on, whether or not you have a WordPress website, Blogger, Wix, Squarespace. Understanding those basic programming languages can go a long way in terms of helping you customize and design your website. Now, I'm not saying you have to become a full stack developer with WordPress, but it really is helpful just to have some basic understanding of how things work. Sort of like having a car. Like, yeah, you kind of should know how to change the oil. You should know how to change a tire. You should know basic things like that. And a website is no different. So what are the best websites to learn technical skills from, be it HTML, CSS, or whatever your knowledge gap is? Let's get to it. One is codecademy.com. So this tops the list because this is one of the best, if not the best website to learn how to code. I mean, you could learn how to program your very own video game just using Codecademy. So if you need to learn something as simple as HTML and CSS, it's no problem with this website. And so let's take a look at their catalog page of all their different languages. They have HTML and CSS, Python, JavaScript, Ruby on Rails, C++, and more. And so if we open up one of their pages, we have HTML and CSS, and they have a variety of different courses at different skill levels that you can quickly and easily enroll in. And understanding CSS in particular is very helpful with WordPress because WordPress themes have that section where you can add in your own custom CSS. So if you know what you're doing, you can add a lot of customizability to your website. For example, like I have another tutorial on how to use the simple theme to create a personal website. But with the simple theme, it has a header that's kind of sticky like this, where it just kind of follows you. And so how do you make it so it doesn't do this? With the simple theme, they don't provide a way for you to turn off this type of header, this sticky header. But you can turn it off with if you know CSS. So I show you how to just throw in some CSS to make it stay put. Little things like that. So if you ever have a theme where you get frustrated by it not being able to do something, that's when knowing HTML and CSS comes in really handy. Anyways, that's number one, Codecademy. Number two is FutureLearn.com. So the selling point of FutureLearn is that it's a website where you can find online courses from top universities taught by industry experts. And so that's why you'd want to come here to FutureLearn. And so they have a variety of subjects, different courses, and they also have a guide on how FutureLearn works. So let's go ahead and take a look at courses. I'll open up short courses right here. And if we scroll down, we can see all the different subjects that they have and then the specific university that the course is being taught by. So for example, if we come into IT and computer science, we have a variety of courses from the University of Leeds and Institute of Coding. And right here, you can click the button to sign up and enroll in a course to begin learning something new. So anyways, that's number two, FutureLearn. Number three is LinkedIn Learning. So a lot of you may be more familiar with lynda.com because this was a great website for learning how to program, but lynda.com has become LinkedIn Learning. So this is LinkedIn Learning, and you can sign up for free, and then obviously they have a price point after the free trial, but they have a lot of helpful courses that I know personally people have gotten a lot of value out of. For example, a YouTuber called Chris the Freelancer raves about lynda.com as being his start for learning how to program. And so if we come down here, we have popular topics, project management, programming languages, leadership skills, etc. So let's go ahead and go to programming languages to see the variety of courses that they have. And so master top programming languages like Java, Python, and C++, etc. And so we have Python Essentials, etc. So if you want to find something specific, you can always come up top here and use the search bar, type in HTML, CSS, hit the enter key, and then see what comes up here. And so we have learning path, advance your skills in HTML, interactive animation with CSS, CSS animation, etc. So LinkedIn Learning is a very helpful resource for learning any type of web development skill. So that's number three, LinkedInLearning.com. Number four is Learn from Fiverr. So yeah, Learn from Fiverr. Fiverr has expanded their business beyond freelance and gigs, and they now offer a spot where they sell online courses, and the courses are actually pretty good, taught by experts, and they're at a reasonable price. You're not going to be finding any $9.97 course here with yellow highlighter, etc., and hyperbolic language. Everything's a reasonable price, and each course has their own selection of feedback and reviews, so you can kind of get a feel for what the course is about and what the students like. So let's go ahead and click on web. And now let's navigate here, create a high converting landing page, only $26. So when you open up the course page right here, you can navigate down here, and over here is where you can see the course syllabus. And so you can go through the syllabus and understand whether or not this course is for you or not. But you can see the value. This is $26. And we have multiple videos, like a 13-minute video, 12-minute video, 18, 16. The course is really in-depth and comprehensive. So it looks great. But again, you can go through the feedback here too, just so you understand what people think. For example, like Jonathan says, very basic, great for people who've never heard of landing pages, should have advertised that. And so, okay, maybe this is for absolute beginners who are not experienced marketers who have a digital product. Maybe this is for absolute beginners. And so you can just make your own decision. But anyways, with Learn from Fiverr, you'll find a lot of courses that are high value, a lot of time, like 47 videos, 10-hour video course for $26. Like other people would put this on Teachable and sell it for $9.97 and make something like the high converting landing page secrets exposed, something like that. But anyways, that's number 4, Learn from Fiverr. Number 5 is edX.org. So I think this is another underrated website a lot of people aren't familiar with. But edX.org is a place where you can find free courses from Harvard, MIT, and other top universities. Now, not all the courses are free. Some do have a price point, so I just want you to be aware of that. But it's very easy to navigate the website. You can come up here to the drop down for courses and take a look at all their different subjects and programs and degrees, etc. Or you can just use the search bar and type in like what you want to learn. So I want to learn HTML and CSS. And so, CSS, there we go. Okay, so let's see what pops up. Okay, so HTML and CSS, we have computer science for web programming from Harvard. That looks fantastic. Okay, so now we can on this page and we can make a decision about what the this enrollment will entail, so what you will learn. And so for example, I like this: familiarity in a number of languages including C, Python, SQL, JavaScript, CSS, and HTML, etc. And so in order to enroll, you can just pursue the program right here, and it's self-paced, so you get also additional detail over here: expert instruction, self-paced, 6 months, 6 to 14 hours per week, etc. So anyways, that's number 5, edX.org. Number 6 is Skillshare.com. So Skillshare is fantastic because they offer an ability to sign up for free and begin a free membership where you have full access to the website. And then after your trial period, you can make the decision whether or not you want to enroll in a Skillshare membership. And it's great because with your membership, you get full access to all of the courses. It's not like you pay for each course one by one. You get full access to everything that you want. And so, for example, let's take a look at like iPhone photography as an example. And so say like we're a blogger and a YouTuber, we have an iPhone, we want to make videos and take pictures and create thumbnails. And so we can find a lot of helpful courses that instruct us on how to optimize our photography using an iPhone. And the way the course is laid out is very simple and easy to use with this helpful menu bar off to the right here. Now, the only issue with Skillshare is that everything is 100% video based. There are no like downloadable PDFs or text to go along with the course. So if that's something that you're expecting, like downloadable files to read something, no, Skillshare is 100% a video course platform. But anyways, that's number 6, Skillshare. Number 7 is Udemy.com. So Udemy is one of the most popular course marketplaces in the world, and it's fantastic because you can find high quality courses for a very affordable price. And the reason the courses are so cheap is because Udemy has such a large student base that Udemy is able to drive sales to course creators. So there's still that incentive for them to put a course on Udemy, because if your course ranks well, then you get a ton of traffic and you can make organic sales quickly and easily. And so let's just take a look at this course right here, the complete Python bootcamp from zero to hero in Python. And so it's $9.99. And what do you get? You get 20 hours of on-demand video, 14 articles, 19 coding exercises. A tremendous amount of value is packed into this course, and it costs $9.99. And so Udemy is fantastic because there's just every type of course you can imagine. Even if I come up top here and I type in something like baking bread, for example, and so I'm sure that there will be a course on baking bread. Yes, number 1, sourdough bread baking 101, and it's a bestseller, and you can get it for $9.99. And this is why I like Udemy, because you can find any type of course. It's for any type of skill gap that you have. So anyways, that's number 7, Udemy. Number 8 is Cadence.com. So this is a great website to learn any type of course in the STEM field. So it's online STEM courses from top universities. So STEM obviously should mean science, technology, engineering, and math. But they have other things like art, design, music, etc. But the main focus is on STEM related courses. So you can sign up for free. You can use the option to navigate through all their various courses, or you can use the search function to find something that you're looking for. So for example, if we're looking for HTML and CSS, we can just type in HTML and see what is on Cadence. Okay, so we have web coding fundamentals, HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. And so it's very simple. You can open up the sales page and kind of get an idea what is included in this course and if it's for you or not. And so right now it starts in 5 days. Okay, 7 sessions, 6 hours per week. Price is free, included with premium membership. Skill level beginner. Video transcripts are in English, Spanish, Chinese, Portuguese, and more. And so we can come down here to the course description, what's included in the course, etc. And we can also check out the specific student reviews. And this looks like a great course, and the price is free. And so that's something that's really great. So you can find free courses, and you can also, obviously they have paid courses. But anyways, that's number 8, Cadence.com. Number 9 is Stanford Online. So this is an education initiative launched by Stanford, that world famous university located in California, to provide online courses for students. Now they offer a wide variety of programs. Okay, so we have professional education, master's degrees, as well as free courses that you can enroll in. So let's just take a look at their free courses. And so we have a bunch of different options from health and medicine, education, engineering. We can also just go over here to the browse all section to look at their category of courses that they offer for free. Okay, so we take a look here. We have algorithms, America's poverty and inequality, etc. So this website is definitely a little bit more geared for professionals looking to get some type of professional education. Say you want to study and get a master's degree online. That's sort of like what this is a little bit more geared for, but they do offer a variety of courses and subjects on a wide variety of topics. So anyways, that's number 9, Stanford Online. Number 10 is Udacity.com. So Udacity is a for-profit educational institute that provides courses primarily focused on learning tech skills. Now, they are not a university. You don't get any degree or accreditation. You should approach this sort of like a Udemy or Skillshare. But what I like about Udacity is that with their programs, they tend to provide more of a deep dive into more techie-oriented topics. And just a little bit stuff that's a little bit more advanced than you could find on, say, Udemy or other related websites. So if we come down here to, say, blockchain developer, for example, and right here, this is functionally a sales page. So you can download the syllabus, or you can click to enroll now. Now, obviously, the price point for Udacity is quite high. So these are not like cheap $9 courses like you'd find on Udemy. But again, if you want something that's a little bit more of a deep dive in advance, Udacity is a great spot. And so just go through the sales page and help you make a decision whether or not this like specific course, for example, would be for you or not. You have a program offerings of what you specifically get. So for example, like student services, technical mentor and support, student community. And we come down here, we also have specific reviews from actual students who've taken the course and what they think, etc. So anyways, that's number 10, Udacity. And last is Coursera.org. So this was actually founded by a professor from Stanford in the computer science department. And it's just a course website where you can enroll in courses for free, but it does have a price point. So anyways, you can just come up here quickly and type in like what you want to learn, for example. So we'll say HTML. And see what they have to offer. So right down here, they have a variety of different courses, web design for everybody, basics of web development and coding. Let's go ahead and take a look at that. So this is a 4.7 rating, 450,000 students, aimed at beginners. Okay, and so this is offered by the University of Michigan, web design for everybody. And so we can come down here, then you can kind of take a look to see what the course is about and whether or not this course is for you or not. So we have enrollment options right here, and this is where you can come down to view the frequently asked questions, for example. So can I take the course for free, for example? Open that up. And when you enroll the course, you get access to all the course specializations and you earn a certificate. If you just want to read the coursework, you can audit the course for free. You cannot afford it, you can apply for financial aid. And so that's it. And so take a look at this. Learner outcomes: 49% started a new career after the specialization, 17% got a pay increase or a promotion. I'm not really sure where they're getting this statistics from, but I really like Coursera overall because they do provide high quality courses from actual universities and well structured and outlined, and it's really good. So come down here and you can just go through the FAQ to make a decision whether or not you should enroll in this or not, and then you can get started. So you can enroll for free and you have to just create a Coursera account. So anyways, that is Coursera. Alright everybody, that is it for this video on the best websites to learn a brand new technical skill from. If you enjoyed it, consider subscribing, hit that like button. My name is David, websitecreatorpro.com. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you next video. Bye bye.